Forex traders, Lumibanks here with update on the Euro USD that I posted earlier. Not just Euro USD right now that I'll be talking about, but a couple of others that I also talked about in previous video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment. Interact with me in the comment section. You can share too and make sure you like this video. Yeah, okay. Euro USD have been bearish for now, for a while now. Yeah, and then what I'm anticipating to happen is that as Euro USD is here, it falls down to the 0.5 level, which is uh happening as we speak. It's happening now, but actually I'm not in this trade. And then why am I not in this trade yet? Yeah, I want to tap into the 1.08 level here, the 1.08 level, and I could have just, after NFP, that's the major news, the very big news for the month. I could have just entered on Monday or even today, since we had the NFP already. But then I check my fundamental calendar and I see that there are a lot of news ahead. Significant news, not so much like that, but there are significant news. So for example, we are having, let me go to Forex Factory. I don't know if this my screen recording tools is going to capture it, but on Forex Factory right now, on tomorrow is Wednesday, today being Tuesday, 7th of May 2024. So on Wednesday there is no news that is as important like that, and on Thursday, sorry, there is GBP news. We have monetary price summary, BOE monetary price policy report, and we for GU we for the cable rather, for GBP we have a lot of news waiting, and unemployment claims for Euro USD on same Thursday. So I'm looking at that, and then for the next week there are a lot of news piling up too. I love to anticipate what the core CPI and the CPI want to do too. There are interesting, or will I say important news that are coming up this week and next week. This week we have Thursday majorly, where we'll be seeing what happens. So I was anticipating on the lower time frame earlier that this market, if it had done this, like, Monday the market open and then we just come up here, and today Tuesday we are tanking down. I would have loved that even if we invalidate this high, that we trade above it, maybe slightly or anyhow, then I begin to see reaction on that, maybe something like this, the break of this, and then or anything at all, any type of signature like that. But the way I'm seeing this thing now, that is coming down first, you get, the fundamental could come and you just go up back again, and I don't want that to happen. I don't think this has lingered enough for this sell to, just flush down like that. And it's not that it has not lingered enough, but the way it's just the way the patterns form is not what I'm really interested in. Yeah, the market can choose to do what it wants to do, but I have specifics that I'm looking out for. And funny thing is, Forex comes with a patience so strong that you can't fake. Yeah. Funny thing that I want to say is this instrument may not even fall. The sell, I may not even enter it, or it may not start falling this week. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing according to the fundamentals. Based on technicals now, if we are talking about technicals alone, this is ready. This is a sell. This is a sell. Adibi, I'm an aggressive trader. I would have even entered this trade, like putting my stop loss 50 pips ahead. So it's like using one to capture 10, right? No, 6. Yeah. this is a 300 pips move to the downside, I would have, enter here and risk like maybe I'll put my stop loss at 0.0 and 1.085 rather. Yeah, this exact place, yeah, is around here. I'll put my stop loss around here. Let me do that with this. Let me do that with this so you can see if I add enter. um I would have put my stop loss around here, exactly around here. Okay, I would have put my stop loss here. Let me make it red. Yeah, I'll put my stop loss here, and then it will just be something like this. Why did I even use the uh how do I use the line when I have the short position, the short position instrument? So this is what I would have done if I was an aggressive trader, or if I'm an aggressive trader. Pardon my English, I don't know which one is even correct there. Yeah, being an aggressive trader, if I had been an aggressive trader, I would have done this. Though I was in the past, I chased markets in the past, but now I've learned a lot of lessons along my trading journey. Along in my trading journey, this is what I would have, this is like 1:6. Yeah, which is very, very fine, fantastic. But like back to what I was saying, patient, patient, patient. If you're not patient enough, the market will test you. Now, yeah, I have an example right here, right here, right here, right here. Look at this now on the daily time frame still. Look at this that happened. We tap into 0.50 around here, and the market flush down to 0.50 pips move plus. Look at this too. I'm going to increase the zoom it out, zoom it so I can see it. Yeah, I'm talking of this. Let me draw. I don't know. I just want you to see it. I really want you to see it. This area here, this price area here. I'm talking about this price area here. Look at what happened here. Let's imagine you sold from here. You sold around here, and the market pushed down. Market pushed down, and then 2 days later, you are seeing markets 1, 2. 2 days later, you are seeing market above even your entry, because I'm not, most traders, retail traders, you will not enter from the tip. Yeah, so you probably enter from the 0.1.0850, 0850, and then you are seeing markets above it by this is this is like 30 pips move, 30 pips move, and maybe you have 50 pips move, 50 pips stop loss. At that point, when it gets to 30 pips, especially if you are over risking, which I don't, let me not assume that. Let me assume you're a good trader. But no matter what, when you have a 50 pips stop loss and you have a drawdown into the 30 pips, and 30 pips my negative, you are like concerned about your trader. Is it going to be a loss? And I don't really want that to happen. So I see what the market did in the past, and with with this move that is happening here on the 4 hours, I like to really be sure. I like to really see confirmations. Yeah, I like to see confirmations. On the 1 hour, is not doing something I really want to see. It's not something I really anticipate a lot different, and I still kind of anticipate that we validate this high, or perhaps we run to this 1.08 the second time, like a retag into it, not almost tap. Yeah. So anything can happen, as the market. I'm not anticipating 100%. What I'm sure about is this market is coming down from 1.08 level to 0.5, and then the entry signature I'm considering is that it tapped back into the 1.08, and it's not that as soon as it tap into it, I'm going to make a sell. I'm going to watch out for what happened, what price do around there before I make my entry. So that's it for Euro USD. I also have GBP USD here. the GBP USD the cable. Yeah, it's interesting. If you watch my past, in the past, what I analyzed was that this market actually do this. This is what I anticipated that the market do. I think I should put it to 4 hours so that we can see clearly. I saw this ranging here and market going up here, and as soon as market got here, like even before it gets to this level, I'm anticipating that okay, should market return here, I would be like bullish, and then we buy up to this place first, and maybe by then, if this had happened, I would have anticipate maybe a downward move and then a bullish continuation. But as that didn't happen and no retracement to this zone here, no retracement at all to this zone, a price just instead go up all the way, go all the way up here, and then made a retracement to this place, go up here and made a retracement here and go, but this zone that I mark essential wasn't reached. She's good, and that tells me that okay, it's not the formation, it's not the pattern for the sell. If not, it's not this buy pattern that form, rather the sell pattern that is forming now. Looking at it now, all I want to see is something like I mapped out. So now this place, I will not be expecting that price do anything from there anymore at this point. I'm not anticipating price to react to it. This is actually a daily value gap, but as it is now, I'm not anticipating that price respect it. Being a downward market in the past, I want to see price go back again, like just like Euro USD. I want to see price go back. Why this one I don't essentially look out for the 1.26 level to be tagged into. It may not. For GBP, I'm not you know I'm not like really want to see price go to that 1.26. All I want to see is a retracement back up to a good zone because of the way this particular market is forming now. Looking at the 4 hours, yeah, I really want to see a retracement. Fundamental for cable, like I said earlier, on Thursday, I really want to see what happens. Yeah, market could just flush down, go in my favor. Why I'm not prepared, or just go up and get me in. Yeah, so that's it for GBP USD. For AUD USD, in the past, if you have been following, you know what I say. I've been anticipating that these levels be invalidated, and I'm anticipating that the market just do this, goes up, and then we come down, we come down. Yeah. Uh, as it is now, the this very level, this green line that I put here is where I'm anticipating that price sell from. Why? Is because of the blocks I'm seeing here. This you know pile loads of orders around here, like there is up and down, up and down. Looking at the weekly, not another block, but I'm considering it as a place where I want price to reach. Why? Is because we have relative equal highs here, and already it's forming the third highs. You get, and to me this is just so clean for markets to just trade down all the way from there to downward like this. It's just too clean to see price. Though it could happen, but for me, Lumibanks, I'm patient enough, and I'm expecting that this market first go up to. I mean, I don't care if it actually come down first, but I'm not sure we will break this low before we go up. If we are actually going up, price could just fake the sellers out around here and then goes up here before eventually coming down. I don't mean it will just drop drastically like that. Maybe we have our lower highs and lower lows, you get. So something like this. So whichever way, I'm still patient, and that's why I say all these things, because of the fundamentals this week and next week, I may not enter a trade. I may not enter this trade. The trade I'm actually in right now is the GBP card. GBP card. That's pound dollar Canadian. The pound, which is cable, and Canadian dollar. Uh, right here, this is it. A sell. I've entered a sell, and that's due to this very level here. This very level, I've entered a sell, and I entered last week, and here is what is happening currently. So I'm in a drawdown. I'm in a drawdown. I'm in some I'm in some drawdown here, but I'm not afraid because I don't risk so much. What I'm anticipating is that it drops from there. Yeah. So pretty much that's it for today's analysis on my Forex, Lumibanks Forex analysis. Until next time, I'm gonna catch you later. Keep trading safely.